Hi learners, welcome to our another new lesson. Hope you all are watching my videos and finding them helpful. Please do practice and learn them easily. Take care of your health. So, today we are going to learn the number names from 51 to 60. We will learn the spelling of the numbers along their correct pronunciations, which will help us in future learning. So, here we go. Five, 1, 51. F, I, F, T, Y. 50. O, N, E. 1, 51. 5, 2, 52. F, I, F, T, Y. 50. T, W, O, 2, 52. 5, 3, 53. F, I, F, T, Y. 50. P, H, R, E, E. 3, 53. 5, 4, 54. F, I, F, T, Y. 50. F, O, U, R. 4, 54. 5, 5, 55. F, I, F, T, Y. 50. F, I, V, E. 5, 55. 5, 6, 56. F, I, F, T, Y. 50. S, I, X. 6, 56. 5, 7, 57. F, I, F, T, Y. 50. S, E, V, E, N. 7, 57. 5, 8, 58. F, I, F, T, Y. 50. E, I, G, H, T. 8, 58. 5, 9, 59. F, I, F, T, Y. 50. N, I, N, E. 9. 59. 6 0 60. S I X T Y 60. Learners, that's all for today. Please do subscribe my channel, share it with others, and do visit my channel in regular interval for fast learning. Thanks for watching and bye bye.